Look what the Easter Bunny left. Get the eggs. Here. Oh. Put it in the basket.
Uh-oh.
It's okay. There, we can just toss them. Look at, he found more. Just throw it in there, honey. We're going to throw them all away.
Well, it says, can you go put it in the foam thing? Here, Wes. Put it in the basket. Good job. Do you see it? There's another one. Do you think there's any in here?
Oh, I see.
Okay, what about over here? Good job.
Put it in the basket. There you go.
All right, do you think there's more in the yard? Wes.
He's looking. Look. Wesley, there's one. I'll help you, honey.
Papa.
Here, big step. It's big.
Papa. Papa.
Hey, Brad, can you not do that right now?
Okay.
Thanks, hon.
Hey, where's your eggs? You find some more eggs?
Look, Wes, here's one. Oh, look.
Whoa.
Wesley.
Do you see any eggs over here? What? Do you see any eggs?
I'm not a very good filmer.
Wee, okay, here.
That's a two-handed grab.
Wesley, look. Where is it?
2 eggs? Can you say 2 eggs? Dad, now we're gonna stink.
Hmm?
Now we're gonna smell.
No, you won't.
Put 'em in
It'll
the
start.
basket.
It'll burn them.
There's more eggs.
Wesley, look, here's one right here.
Go find more eggs.
There's one right here. He
Hey,
does not want this egg.
hey, how come you don't want this egg? Hey, look, can you
Look.
scoop it up?
Right here.
You're supposed to get all the eggs, buddy.
Where is it? Where's the egg? There it is. Good job, buddy.
Might be easier with your hand.
Be like croquet, right? Dang it, I'll just squish it now.
Hey, what's this? What's this? What? What? That was kind of
Here,
big.
you put it on.
Hold 2 hands.
Good job, buddy.
Gotta use your hands over here.
Careful, buddy.
Hey, what do you see? You looking? You looking? Hey, Wes.
Hey.
You looking?
Do you see 2 eggs?
Can you pick them up? Put them in the basket. It's like, no, I'm done.
Oh, there's another one over here. Another one over here.
We've lost it.
We have. Totally. I think it's done. I don't think I'm...
Off here.
Wes, there's more eggs.
Come find them. So funny.
Wes.
So, okay, he just
Grass,
wanted.
the grass smelled.
Oh,
He's pretending he's putting stuff in it.
Look, Wes.
Look on the table.
Table.
Maybe he's coming back over here to do those eggs. Aw, good job, Wes. See, he just had to do it his own time, I
And
guess.
when that opened up, he kind of went,
Wesley, look over here.
fresh cut grass.
Look under the table.
Do you see it? Watch your head. Atta good boy.
Good job, Wes.
Hey, I bet there's some over here. Oh, look, Wes.
Who's that? Oh, mud, mud.
It's all right.
Look at that. What's that there?
Look at that one. Look at that Easter egg right there. Look. See it? I spy an Easter egg. Where is it?
He wants to watch your camera.
Can you go get it? Big step. You can do it. Yay.
He
Oh.
doesn't like the bush hanging over his head.
Wes, where's your bike? Where's your bike?
No, not yet. Okay, let's come over here. Look. There's one over there. See it over there? Come over there. Oops, sorry. Here, look. Oh, he sees it. Oh, he spotted it right away. Yeah. Good job, Wes. And look. I bet you there's one in here. Oh, we put two of them. Now he's going to go for a ride. Here, I'll help you. There you go. Yeah, you can take all of your eggs for a ride. Look. All of your eggs can go for a ride. Hey, bye-bye. You have all your eggs in a basket and you're heading off.
Has he ever made one of those vehicles move?
I don't know. Okay.